Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different options, two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is the quickest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both, and I'd like to start with the quickest one. So let's open the dialer, as it is a place where we can enter the special code. Let's tap on the keypad, and the code for the IMEI number is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the IMEI number of this device and also a serial number. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And now let's scroll down. As you can see in the device details, we've got the IMEI number of this device. And if we want to check the serial number, we have to enter the model, which is right above. And on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.